Dr. Naima Sedegah, and I'm the senior psychologist here at Alexandria Youth Network. So mental health to me it's kind of my whole existence, and I think it dates back again to my childhood and having grown up in a neighborhood that wasn't so friendly and wasn't so caring. And I noticed for myself and the people that I did see practicing good self-care behaviors and practices, I knew that those people were probably going to live longer lives. I kind of figured that part out early on. And so for me, I made it not only my career, but I also like to advocate that for my friends and my family, and I check in with them. And it's also important to check in with myself. And I do that daily. That's one of the things I do daily in terms of taking care of my own mental health. It sounds weird, but it's okay to have a conversation with yourself every once in a while. So I say, Naima, how are you feeling right now? How did your day go today? And then I kind of think through, this was really interesting. That made me feel a little uncomfortable. And then I kind of work through I was kind of anxious about that, but it turned out okay. And so, and there's also moments where I'm like, dang, I wish I could have did that over again. Can I get a reset? And it's okay to check in with yourself throughout the day. And then notice when you might get tired or frustrated and just give yourself a timeout. So I'm a big fan of like window seats, like little things in life, where I can look outside and gaze and think about my day and look at the trees, and I like hearing the birds. And I do a lot of visualization. So when I'm hearing the birds in the morning, I'm picturing myself in Brazil or Costa Rica. I'm like, oh man, this is so great. And those kind of things that you can do throughout the day help you kind of reset and kind of be mindful. I don't know if you've heard of the practice of mindfulness. It's being in the present moment. And you can use that through all of your senses, your touch, your taste, your hearing. And so throughout the day, I make it a point to take some space for myself, and has been some unorthodox places that you can really take for yourself. If you really want to take ownership of self-care, you can sit in your car for 5 more minutes instead of going rushing into work. Take a minute, turn the car off, sit there, look around, stretch your legs, take your seatbelt off, relax, and take some time to just kind of decompress from your drive from work. I challenge you to think about some of the things that you think may be important to you and how to better incorporate those things into your life.